This is my 270-degree awning from Reign Outdoor. So my name is Donald, you're watching Softroading the West. I do backcountry exploring adventures in my Nissan Frontier Pro 4X. I recently added this wedge camper from Topo Toppers and have been looking for a 270-degree awning to cover the back where I go in and out of the camper, as well as the side where I am doing my kitchen setup. Now, if you've been watching my channel for a while, you have seen my video from Overland Expo PNW, where I looked at numerous 270-degree awnings, trying to figure out which one I wanted to get for my truck. Shortly thereafter, a brand new company in the market called Reign Outdoor reached out to me and said, "Hey, we've just introduced our 270. We'd like you to try it out." I think this is a really interesting option. Let's take a look at it.
The Reign Outdoor 270 is a freestanding awning constructed of powder-coated aluminum with stainless steel hardware and provides 83 square feet of coverage. I have the driver's side version, though it is also available in passenger side configuration. It weighs in at just 40 pounds and comes with its own mounting brackets for securing to your roof rack.
Something that really appealed to me about the Reign Outdoor awning is that it does incorporate many of the design features of the South African models. These triangular trusses made of welded aluminum, clearly a very sturdy, strong design, a nice beefy hinge construction here in the middle, a kickstand to pop up the center of the awning and create a peak so that rain can flow off more easily, and simply the fact that it is able to be completely freestanding. Now, it does have legs that you can put down. I suppose if you're expecting snowfall or possibly some other kinds of conditions.
The awning includes tie-down rings at midpoints to create troughs for rain drainage, as well as rings at the corners to secure the awning down in conjunction with the legs. The Reign Outdoor 270 comes with heavy-duty stakes and guy lines, so you're ready to tie things down if needed.
This fabric is a waterproof and fire-resistant ripstop Oxford fabric. All of the awning edges are lined with Velcro. This is to accommodate walls that can go all the way around. Now, if you go to the Reign Outdoor website, you will not see these on that website yet.
Wall kits will be stocked on their website in the near future. In the meantime, Reign Outdoor can get a wall kit assembled for you with about a 2-month lead time. Their wall kit will actually fully enclose the awning area even on the vehicle side, unlike most awning wall kits which allow wind and cold to pass under your vehicle, though you can still access your vehicle via zippered panels. One of the key details that appealed to me about Reign Outdoor's 270 is the full coverage of the tailgate area. Many of the 270 awnings on the market actually make a diagonal cut at the rear of the vehicle, leaving the tailgate area partially exposed. The Reign Outdoor awning is fully squared off at the rear, sheltering the entire tailgate area. To me, this is a big deal. This is a significantly more functional space when you can make use of the whole tailgate. Installing the Reign Outdoor 270 was straightforward. The awning comes with sturdy mounting brackets you can attach to your roof rack and stainless steel hardware to secure everything. You simply pop one end cap off the mounting plate, slide the bolts into the channels, and put that end cap back on. Since my camper was built with awning mounts, I did not need to use the supplied brackets, and after drilling holes where needed, I was ready to bolt on the awning. The second set of hands will help this go smoothly. My daughter and her boyfriend were around, and completing the installation was just a matter of minutes. Deploying the awning is fast and easy. Unzip the outer bag and stow it behind the awning. Release the Velcro straps and pull the awning around to the rear of the vehicle. Hook the tensioning strap to the far side of your rack or some anchor point that makes sense on your rig and snug it up with the spring-loaded buckle.
I've been using this for a while, including at Expo Mountain West, where we got absolutely hammered by wind and rain. I did not use the legs. I did not use any tie downs. It just stood up on its own. It withstood all of the weather that summer in Colorado threw at us, and no issues at all. As you saw in some of the earlier shots when I was higher up on the mountain here, quite a bit of wind coming across the peak of the mountain, and the awning withstands it just fine. Obviously, you don't want to leave a freestanding awning, or really any awning, out in heavy wind. It's too much of a sail. I would always put your awning away if it's really, really windy. And if it's that windy, you probably don't want to be sitting out here under it anyway. When I first started talking on the channel about looking at 270 awnings, one thing that a lot of people seem to be concerned about was the gap. What about the gap behind the awning? And you know, rain is going to fall on you from behind that gap. When I'm under my awning, I'm not leaning up against my truck. I'm out here using this space. You know, no awning is going to be 1000% perfect. You may get some drips here and there, but it is a heck of a lot better than having no shelter. What you'll notice on my truck is the way my camper tapers in. These awning mounts are actually over, they're about aligned with the side of the truck here. And the back of this awning, you know, any water coming down the back of the awning is hitting sort of like right in here. It's nowhere near any place where I would stand. Now, in some of the rainstorms that we had in Colorado, I did have some water coming down through the back side of the awning, of course, but you know, I wasn't sitting here like this. It was fine. And it's a similar story here at the back. I've mounted the awning as far forward as I possibly could so that this rear arm would be as close as possible to the camper. As you can see, that's like 1.5 inches from the camper. Again, back here, the camper tapers in a little bit. This shelter is fully over every place I would possibly be back here. And again, how much gap you're going to deal with is going to depend on your vehicle, the rack, how your awning is getting mounted on there. But regardless of whether you have a little gap, a lot of gap, whatever, don't stand under the gap. Stand under the shelter. You'll be fine. I'm still getting the hang of this. I'm gonna let Kai from Reign Outdoor show you how he closes this up.
In the interest of transparency, I'm going to let you watch me put it away. All my life, I've never been very good at handling floppy fabric, and still struggle a bit with this, though I do manage to get it done. As you can see, I struggle a bit zipping up this final 18 inches. Reign Outdoors has just informed me that they will be making the bag a little larger going forward. Fortunately, the bag does feature a sturdy YKK zipper that withstands even my clumsy handling.
So the more I do this, the better I get at it. It may take a few more opportunities of putting it away for me to get a better hang of it. For me, it's not a deal breaker. I am able to get it put away, and I do think I will get better at it. This is the only thing that I struggle with a little bit on this awning. Everything else has been just exactly what I wanted in an awning. So that is my 270-degree awning from Reign Outdoor. Really happy with this awning. Really nice value, really well designed, well functioning for the money. I will put a link in the description below if you want to go take a look at the Reign Outdoor website, and if you have any questions, just post them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.